Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file for SSI disability. Supplemental Security Income, or SSI, offers crucial financial support for basic living expenses. It's designed for individuals who are disabled, blind, or at least 65 years old and have limited income and resources. Unlike some other programs, SSI eligibility is based on your financial need, not your past work contributions. We'll guide you through the process. To qualify for SSI, you must meet specific criteria. First, you need a severe medical condition that prevents substantial work and is expected to last at least 12 months or be terminal. Your countable monthly income must be below a certain threshold, typically around $967 for a single person, though some income is not counted. Additionally, your total resources, such as bank savings, must not exceed $2,000 for an individual. Applying for SSI involves a few key steps. Begin by gathering all necessary documents, including detailed medical records, proof of identity, and financial information. You can apply conveniently online by calling the Social Security Administration at 1-800-772-1213 or by visiting your local office. It's best to apply as soon as your disability prevents you from working, as the process can take several months. After submitting your application, expect to wait 3 to 5 months for an initial decision. Many applications are denied at this stage, so don't be discouraged. If denied, you have 60 days to request a reconsideration, which is the first step in the appeals process. This can involve multiple levels, potentially taking over a year. Continue your medical treatment and keep thorough records. Once approved, your first payment typically arrives within 30 to 45 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.